Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize integrate Jira with no-code app builders, detailed guide step-by-step clear. To integrate Jira with no-code app builders, start by selecting the no-code platform you want to use. Log into your no-code app builder account. Navigate to the integrations section of the platform. Look for Jira in the list of available integrations. Click on the Jira integration option. You will be prompted to authorize the connection. Open a new tab and go to your Jira instance. Log in to your Jira account with the required credentials. Access the Jira settings by clicking on the gear icon in the top right corner. Under the Settings menu, find and select Applications. Click on Application Links in the left sidebar. Enter the URL for your no-code app builder in the provided field. Click on the Create New Link button. Fill out the necessary details in the application link form. Set the link type to incoming and outgoing as required. Save the application link by clicking the Create button. Return to your No-Code App Builder tab. You may need to copy the generated OAuth credentials from your Jira settings. Back in the App Builder, paste these credentials as prompted. Authorize any additional permissions the No-Code App Builder requests. Complete the integration setup by confirming all settings. Test the integration to ensure it's functioning correctly. You can now start using Jira data within your no-code application without writing code. Explore the capabilities of both platforms to maximize your integration. Stay aware of the updates from both Jira and your no-code platform for any new features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.